Pretty much. They have bells going all the time, you just don't hear them. Keith's running the Milwaukee set. Turn off the bell, Keith! I got dinglings running in my head. That's a slow speed right there, but you can crank it up by doing that. We oiled his engine. He's got a Atlantic engine I gave him. We oiled it up for him, and he's got a whistling unit. We'll run it later on. You turn it down if you want. No, turn the speed down, to a crawl if you want. He'll get the hang of it, it just takes him, it's pretty straightforward.
1994 North, confirmed your go. Tracks clear, proceed at will.
Let me trade you places, Keith.
Alright.
Because I'm going to turn off the lights, but if you need them back on. We got 5 cars on this. This is first time doing a handheld remote. It's pretty simple though. It's not complicated. This is the one for the UP. And reverse, forward, horn, talk, bell, and the volume for the sound system, soundboard. This is for the UP engine only. So he'll get the hang of it. Go down with it if you want the volume down.
Down now.
Yeah, you can turn it off if you want. I don't care. You're the engineer. You're the boss of the train, Keith. Rags is in here with us like Bubby would be with me. But we're glad he brought his dog, She's been doing okay. Didn't want him to leave him at home and find out he's dead when he gets home in cold or something. So, and we're good with having him here. Rags here, So this is just a quick video. One day before Christmas Eve, the countdown starts. We're not in the days anymore, we're into hours. And so y'all have a Merry Christmas, have a good Christmas Eve tomorrow. Be with your family and friends if you can. We know some things are different, for my family. And for us, we're going through it, so we'll be okay. And we wouldn't want to have my dog back because he was hurting. But they're in a better place. Dad's in heaven playing with Bubby. He's in heaven with with Keith's mom and dad and Benita. And so y'all have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you later. We'll see you on Saturday. That's Saturday. Christmas Day, I'm going live at 1 o'clock. Live streaming at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Pacific Time. Yeah, Eastern Standard Pacific Time. Eastern Standard Time. And we're going to have some fun Christmas Day. And we're going to have some fun. We're going to have a race with these engines here from Menard's. I can run the UP engine while Keith's running this one. But we're saving that for Christmas Day. Because he's got to learn how to operate to control. You doing okay, Keith?
Yeah.
You're a beginner, but you doing all right, man?
Yeah.
No uh-ohs yet?
Yeah.
No uh-ohs? You had uh-ohs? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Rex is right here by me. Well, you have Merry Christmas. Have a good Christmas Eve tomorrow, and we'll see y'all Christmas Day. Love and appreciate y'all. Bye. Get that part out. He's having fun. There he goes, the bell. My lights are. I did that on my remote. I like that, you know. Chase lights. Just watching Christmas music. He's got that engine. It's a regular vinyl engine. So this is still new different for him. And he likes to run the train and stuff. And he knew I was getting it because he's a subscriber of mine. And he saw I was getting it, so he was excited to bring his engine. I lubed it and greased it up for him. And I got some smoke fluid, and he's going to use that. We can run it on the trolley line. You having fun, Keith? Keith! Keith! He can't hear me because of the sound. You having fun? He's having fun, you can tell it. I just thought I'd do another video showing him running the train. It's pretty easy. It's not hard at all. Menard's made it user-friendly, really user-friendly compared to Lion Chief, where you have to enter codes and stuff like that. There's nothing wrong with that, but they made it more affordable and more easier for people to use. So this is a continuation. I'm going to get off here. I just want to. He's a beginner engineer now, and so he's having fun in there running the train. See ya, everyone.